Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we did some nice fog lights for this Wrangler here, and this is the JL here. And what do we got here? Well, we got, now we didn't actually sell the products to this customer. He brought them in for us and we did the installation for you. Buddy, do you know the brand of these fog lights? Okay, well, we'll show it to you anyways here. Since we didn't sell it, we don't have the information on it, but basically these are halo fog lights here. Now the halos can be left on with the halos and the headlights, which we did set it up that way. There's a couple of different ways you can set it up, but that's the way the customer chose in here. These are pretty good looking LEDs here. Of course, they fit right in there very nicely. He brought these hood latches here, which I think are pretty sharp. We put those on as well. Now the reason I'm doing this video is to say to you as a customer, if you bought it somewhere else, we can install it for you. Our master tech buddy put these on, and with the help of Joel as well. And they do this stuff all day long. So if you buy it somewhere else, you've been calling around and nobody wants to install it for you because they're going to say, hey, you didn't buy it from us. And we even say that sometimes, by the way. Here is an opportunity to come see us. We'll give you a quote. If you like it, we'll put it on for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review video that our installation we did with the fog lights on this Jeep Wrangler here, as well as the hood latches. And again, if you have any questions, give us a call. The number and all information will be at the bottom of this YouTube video. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to our channel. Cost you nothing. Get to see lots of new products here. Thank you so much.